Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Settings to stop background refresh quickly. Tap Settings, then scroll to General and open Background App Refresh. You'll see a global toggle and a list of apps. Use the Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular option to set scope. Once done, scan the app list to identify high battery or data-heavy apps you want to control. This step narrows your options so you don't accidentally disable necessary updates for critical apps. Now you'll disable refresh per app so only important programs run. Scroll the list and flip off each app you don't want updating in the background. You'll save battery and data. If an app needs timely updates, leave its toggle on. Make sure to double-check apps that sync accounts or deliver messages. Once you've finished, review the top global setting. Per app toggles override broad choices, so changes take effect immediately without a restart. Finish by closing affected apps and observing battery or data changes over a day. If you don't see the expected improvements, restart your iPhone to apply settings cleanly. Make sure iOS is up to date. Occasional bugs can prevent toggles from sticking. If problems persist, reset network settings or temporarily toggle global background app refresh off and on. This usually resolves glitches. If not, a quick iOS update or restart is the reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.